Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do the Africa threading hairstyle with spiral style. Some people call it spiral ending while some people call it perennial ending. How to end your kiko that make it look like perennial or that make it look like spiral. Watch this video to the end because after threading our hair, that is when we start the perennial or spiral ending. The one that look like spiral or perennial. Some people call it spiral while some people call it perennial ending. This is what you do. First of all, you have to thread your hair from the beginning to the end. Depends on the length of perennial that you want. If you want it to be longer, you have to do the kiko to be longer also. The more longer it is, the more longer your perennial will look. So this is me threading my hair to the length I want before I start styling it to perennial style. This is very lovely and it's very good for kids school hairstyle. Maybe for example, if you don't want anything that will be touching your body, you want a simple hairstyle, this perennial hairstyle is one of the best threading hairstyle that you can do without stress. The good thing about this perennial hairstyle is that it lasts longer, and is one of the painless hairstyle that threading hairstyle that I have known. So watch this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please guys subscribe to this channel because all this tutorial like this will be coming up on this channel. This is for beginner that don't know how to do threading and beginner that don't know how to do perennial ending on a threading hairstyle. Now I am done with the threading. The next thing I will be doing is to bring out my perennial styles. For me to get my style, I have to fold the thread. I fold the head I have just finished threading, fold it down to the left and start rolling it. Just watch the way I'm rolling it. That is the best way to do it. Start rolling it. Mind you are rolling it upward. Roll it upward. Just watch exactly the way I do it and you will do your own perfectly. I said earlier, depends the length that you want. In this video I make it short because I don't want it longer. If you want your own longer, you have to fold the hair longer so that I can give you longer perennial hairstyle. Thanks for watching my video. Share this video to get to other beginners so that they will know how to do this particular perennial ending hairstyle. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and drop a comment. If you have a question, please ask question, drop your question in the comment section. I will always come back to attend to the question. See you in my next video. Thank you.